Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-65 in the state of Alabama, beginning at exit 231. This is the fourth crossing of US Highway 31 that we've seen on I-65, and we'll see the fifth in a few miles. We're in the city of Calera in Shelby County. This is part of the Birmingham Hoover Metropolitan Statistical Area. We enter the city of Alabaster, a southern suburb of Birmingham. As of the 2018 estimate, Alabaster had a population of 33,340. Alabaster was incorporated in 1953 and was named for the white calcium carbonate mineral, which was mined nearby. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Pelham, incorporated in 1964. Pelham had an estimated population of 23,744 as of 2018. The city was named for Confederate Civil War officer John Pelham. Oak Mountain State Park, Alabama's largest state park, is located in Pelham. The elevation here is 502 feet or 153 meters above sea level. Here we enter Jefferson County in the city of Hoover. Hoover was incorporated in 1967, named for William H. Hoover, a local insurance company owner. In the 1970 census, the population was 688. Hoover is now the largest suburb of Birmingham with an estimated population of 85,108 as of 2018. At the time we took this trip in May of 2019, I-65 was closed through Birmingham due to the reconstruction of I-59 and I-20 through Birmingham. We were due to turn east at Birmingham anyway, but our only option was to take I-459, so we missed the drive through Birmingham. This concludes this part of our I-65 series, but we'll be back to cover more of it as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.